Very warm welcome to all of you. Today in this video we are going to discuss about one Google Cloud Rapid Agent Hackathon. So here you can see this is the URL of this hackathon and you can see the deadline. Deadline is it will hackathon start at 1st May and end date is 11 June. So approximately 40 days we have to create an entire AI agent solution in Google Cloud. So let's discuss about what is the criteria, what's uh, all about the challenge. So here you can see the building agent for real world challenges. So we need to create AI agents. So yeah, here these all about AI agent. We need to use Google Cloud, Gemini model and partner ecosystem and create a one AI agent. Okay, what is this challenge? So in challenge, if I summarize everything, if you want to read, you can. I will provide this link to your description. But what are the major thing we need to know? I will try to cover that thing only. So basically, we need to create a one agent to solve a real world problem. Say as simple as that in one particular line. Build a functional agent powered by Gemini and Google Cloud Agent Builder. Integrate with partner entity MCP server to solve a real world problem. So this is the main objective of this hackathon. And what we need to submit? We need to submit URL and we need to create a video, dev post submission. So yeah, these are some little bit criteria of this hackathon. So what's goal? So move beyond the chat. So create a very um, just not a chat bot, we can say create an agent, it can perform a task. How your project help you in automate the things and etc and multi-step mission. It can able to perform some complex task also and partner power. So you can leverage MCP partners, MCP server, whatever available in Google Cloud. So I will yeah, these are Google Cloud platform. And if I click on go to MCP server, okay, we will deep dive into this thing in upcoming lecture, but as of now this is okay. So yeah, this is all about hackathon. So partners and yeah, this will, I think today is a 25 May. After uh, sorry, 25 April. In 1st May this hackathon will be open, so you can get more other information about this hackathon. Yeah, okay, let me deep dive into my project. So here you can click in I yeah, here you can see the different option. You need to register with your dev post account, dev post credential. Let me go to resources. Okay, this is a very important thing. So before the starting this hackathon, so if you deep dive this concept and if you have a Google Cloud, then it's okay. Otherwise, get a free trial of Google Cloud and try to play with sample agent and console. So and then you can able to build a very effective way. Okay. These are some Google Cloud links, Vertex AI SDK in Python, low code platform. What is a Vertex AI agent builder? So you can found other things in this. Yeah, this is nothing but Vertex AI SDK in Python. How you can create AI agent? Okay, this is nothing but Gemini Enterprise agent platform. And if you are familiar with Google ADK, so this is nothing but one starter template to create a AI using Google ADK. Okay, perfect. We are good to go. Apply to Google Cloud Credit if you do not qualify initial credit. Okay, these are okay. This is the main information. It will coming soon. So perfect. So phase two, we need to create action mechanism and data connectivity. So we will deep dive into this thing in upcoming lecture. Phase three is on coming soon. Similar way, reasoning state, logic hosting for uh, store your state and secret. We can use secret manager for reasoning and orchestration. We can use what reasoning engine or LangChain or Llama Index like other platform. And we need to deploy everything into using Cloud Run or Agent Engine is also fine. But yeah, Agent Engine is also fine. But here they suggest custom backend hosting. And this is they provide some sample code, but you can host in Vertex AI Agent Engine also. And for safety and guardrail, these are some setting you need to configure for responsible AI. So this is other thing about resources. Okay, let me go to the rules and explain about these are some official rules. Maybe okay. Now, if you have any concern or doubt, like, okay, I am in Google Cloud. I am very familiar with CX Agent Studio. Let me go to the CX Agent Studio. If I create an entire solution in CX Agent Studio, is this valid solution? Can I submit my existing project in this hackathon? So you can post your query and doubt in this discussion forum. So yeah, this is all about this hackathon. If you have any doubt regarding hackathon or Google Cloud, feel free to uh, put your doubt in this YouTube channel. I am happy to help. Thank you so much, and we will meet in deep dive into those concepts in upcoming videos. Thank you.